Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another video. So I'm here with the Samsung Galaxy A17 5G Android phone, and in today's video I'll be showing you how you can remap and customize the side button here on the side. Okay, so it's real simple to do. Just go ahead and follow the steps that I'm about to show. So first of all, pull down the notification panel and go into the settings, and then scroll down to where it says advanced features. Go ahead and select the option, and then here you will see side button. Go ahead and select it, and then here where it says double press camera, just simply go ahead and select it, and now we are within the double press options. Okay, so when you first get the phone, by default it's set to open up the camera when you double press the side button. So as you can see, when you double press on it, it launches the camera. However, you can actually change it to do something else. So if you want, you can select quick launch Samsung Wallet instead. So now when you double press on the button there, it brings you straight into the Samsung Wallet. Or you can change it to launch the torch if that's what you prefer. So now when you double press the side button, as you can see, it launches the torch. Or you can select the magnifier option. So now that when you double press the side button, it launches the magnifier. Or you can select the voice recorder option. So now when you double press the side button, it launches the voice recorder. Same with Samsung Notes. If you select the option, just simply double press and it opens up the Samsung Notes. Same with the Samsung Capture. Here you can take a screenshot just simply by double pressing on the side button, and as you can see, it's just taking a screenshot. And you can select the modes and routines option if that's what you prefer. And here comes the fun part. You can actually set an application. So, for example, if you want to maybe get quick access to TikTok, you could just choose TikTok. And instead of having to find the TikTok application now, all you have to do when you want to go into TikTok is just double press on the side button and it takes you straight into the TikTok application. And you can also set it to maybe launch a game. So if I just double press on the side button, as you can see, it's opened up a game, Shaq Fu. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the video. And if you don't want it to actually do anything at all, if you want to totally disable the side button, all you have to do is just turn it off. And that's it. When you press the side button, when you double press on it, nothing will happen. So yeah, that's it for the video. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up, share the video. It's your boy the Android Doctor. I just thought I'd share this video with you all. And I'm out. See you in the next one. Deuces.